Hi friends, welcome back to my channel iQOO. So this is a quick battery mobile game battery draining test on the iQOO 9 SE device by using the monster mode. Right now, as you can see friends, I'm trying to use a monster mode during this process demonstration, and the battery percentage is exactly 89% level. And right now, just now I did start playing the battery mobile game, and I'll try to play this game for about close to 1 hour of time, and let's see how much the battery will decrease in this iQOO 9 SE and how much high temperatures the phone can actually increase as well. So right now the battery decreased to 88%. So let's start with the 88% as a basic test. And during this process, these are the settings I'm trying to use, more than extreme settings exactly. And let's start playing the game. And I did not enable the game frame interpolation because enabling game frame interpolation, that feels slightly kind of lag and delay as well while using that's the reason I did not enable. And let's play this 8x8 team deathmatch, 8x8. So using with the monster mode. And right now my room temperature is 32 degrees Celsius and phone temperature is 35.6 degrees Celsius, 36 degrees Celsius. As you can clearly see friends, 35.6 and 36. So let's find out how is the overall gameplay in this iQOO 9 SE device with a Snapdragon 888 processor. So overall you can see friends, the gameplay looks pretty good, not bad.
Killing spree for the red team.
So let's see friends, how is the gameplay gonna be there. It's kind of pretty good, not bad till now. Nothing much major drawbacks I have noticed during this process of testing at this moment. Exactly. So right now after playing for about 12 minutes of time, the temperature is about close to 39.4 degrees Celsius. You can clearly see from the temperatures how much it got increased.
Watch out. Watch out. Killing spree for the blue team. I need a weapon. Blue team is in the lead. Watch out. Watch out.
Blue team victory.
So as you can see friends, after 15 minutes of time, temperature is about 39.6 degrees Celsius and the battery dropped to 84% after 15 minutes of time. So you can clearly see here, and not using any kind of game frame interpolation, nothing is used, just using with the 60 FPS only I'm trying to play the game. Non-stop, 15 minutes from 88% battery decreased to 4%. Clearly see friends, after 15 minutes of time. Until now I did not see much kind of frame drops so while playing team deathmatch, and definitely I'll let you do the classic match test as well later on, but this is another quick example.
Game set in a virtual world and does not represent real life.
And haptic feedback is really fantastic in this device, no issues with the haptic feedback.
And play responsibly.
Team match. Let's go.
Marked a location. Marked a location. Marked a location. First point for the red team.
No mercy. Reloading.
So haptic feedback is really good, not bad.
Cover me.
Nice shot. Cover me. Reloading.
And you can clearly see, friends, there's nothing much problem, but definitely there will be a little bit kind of here and there frame drops, but because there is no real-time FPS built in the iQOO UI, which is a font touch UI, that's the reason I was unable to show you the real-time FPS, how much we are getting. This is a angle map drop test which I thought of doing here, testing in this device. Right now, after 26 minutes of time, and the temperature did reach at 39.4 degrees Celsius, and the battery dropped to 80% right now, from 88 degrees to 80% after 26 minutes. Again, I'll be back after some time. Right now, as you can see, friends, after playing for about 50 minutes of time exactly, this is another Erangel Classic match which I'm trying to play, and right now the battery dropped to 72%. Clearly, you can see, friends. 72 after 50 minutes of time, and the temperatures did increase up to 39.8 degrees Celsius. So overall it was able to maintain 40 degrees Celsius throughout this time. Not bad. Regarding the overall draining, and the gameplay feels also pretty good, not bad regarding the gameplay. So finally, friends, after 50 minutes of time, and we got the chicken dinner. So all friends, during this time, nothing much major drawbacks, I would say, like not much frame drops. So friends, let's go back and let's start the match, team net match. So I did play one classic match and a couple of team net matches, and even right now I'll try to end up this video playing with a normal team net match. I just want to see like how his overall FPS is going to be like maintained during this process as well in the iQOO 9 SE. And finally, I got my chicken dinner. I think first chicken dinner in this iQOO 9 SE device, because I usually don't play in this device, but that might be another reason. But let's start now. Gameplay, the final team that match, and then I'll try to end up this video.
For the red team.
Expired! Cover me! Reloading! Enemy down! Cover me! Reloading! Expired! Nice shot! Expired! Cover me! Clear! Reloading!
Killing spree for the blue team.
Kill! Reloading! Cover me! Target down!
Blue team is in the lead.
Dead! Kill! Nice shot!
As you can clearly see, it's not bad regarding the overall gameplay.
Clear! Reloading! Target down! Cover me! No mercy! Reloading! Great! You're about to win!
The blue team is heading to a perfect win.
No mercy! Reloading! Target down! Blue team victory!
Let's play the final teamnet match. After this, we'll try to end up this video.
Clear! Dead! Reloading! Cover me! Enemy down! No mercy! Reloading!
Right now, we are reaching exactly 1 hour of time as well. So 1 hour of time, I'll try to check exactly what is the battery percentage.
Cover me! Reloading! Cover me!
So exactly after 1 hour, friends, the battery dropped to 69%. You can clearly see 69. So overall 19% got decreased just within this 1 hour of time. So definitely you can expect up to 5 hours of gameplay in the iQOO 9 SE device, 5 hours non-stop. That's what you can actually expect in this device.
Killing spree for the blue team!
Definitely see overall the gameplay looks pretty good, not bad.
The red team doesn't have a lot.
Even in the overall gameplay experience, and touch sampling rate I do feel slightly kind of less. I'm not sure why, but
Enemy down!
little bit less. And meanwhile, signing off, friends, is a quick Battlegrounds mobile gameplay test in this iQOO 9 SE device. Overall, after playing for 1 hour of time, 68%. So 20% got decreased in the iQOO 9 SE. 20% for 1 hour of time. Non-stop playing the iQOO 9 SE device with the Battlegrounds mobile game non-stop, and the temperature did reach up to 40 degrees Celsius during this process of demonstration. Meanwhile, signing off, friends, thank you for watching. Until next video, for more updates. The complete test has been done only with the 60 FPS. Later on, I'll try to use the GFX tool and I'll try to play with the 90 FPS just to find out how is the battery backup. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. Meanwhile, signing off, friends, thank you for watching. Until next video, for more updates, and